A while ago, my mom called. She bought one Itumabi for me, and she called that when I am coming, I should bring it. Anyway. It's a can't go with you. I got you. I got in my bag. I got Sana Ellen. Net me. Baby support a net and I'm told baby among kind of making so fair. I'm not say to maybe me find my magic as a tie and die not on money. Me found Kumas, aha, or some of my magic to my pa. Me no go for no friend, me wages soon no friend, man, fam. Me do go for I'm friend or so. So bad for some to my neighbor never bedroom to my pa. I'm simply show you. Look at baby Nanesha, mother of two. Say. Oh, Baba. Right? Okay, no, be careful. Ingbo manete, line. Mine say habo, esi mi akpata. Amekumaye, Iabo, fine. Baby Sapon there. Anyway, her name is Baby Sapon. Yeah, she was named after her grandmother. Her grandmother is called Baby. So she is unofficially Baby Sapon. Yeah, it's not official. And I have to need it. Or Papa saw the Baby Sapon. Or Papa. Oh, okay. Then she's Baby Sapon. Baby Sapon. That's why I call wash it. Hey! No, you're going to some panel. Oh, shit. Some become a make one. Oh, shit. Hey! But on your tune to some on your tune to some I know your tune to some Hey! Sir? That will ask me by me, but I'm to share. I never buy managing you. Managing anyone, no man's land, said dear. Me find my managing any or 3 months or more the man I'm to share. Or more the mangas or I'm so much the mouth will leave a crab account when in June, July, August. Share. I like it.
Hey! Now, who's the man? Oh, that's the
Guys, so we are invited. Why? I was super hungry. So I forgot to talk to you, to update you. Why? Watch me. That's Mommy Sarah's Land Rover. Yeah. So this is Enyonyam's NGS permanent seat. They are back. So they are back.
Your new land bag.
Me na missing belly fufu ntia eno be wo fufu.
sir.
Hey.
So by access of the Benjamin.
So the enemy no so be ka na nsemo nka. Mami chewa.
No, so many days.
What for me on? Oh, that's too. You want to?
That's I want to see what I'm going to be a boy.
So we say, but we no real Moana. Oh, who me a
dinner? I'm to be a no.
I'm so happy me.
I'm so
happy.
Oh, baby sapon. Oh,
baby sapon, wada.
Wada.
Hi, good morning. How do you do? Yeah, today is Saturday, the following day. Mommy, say hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Your mama, papa. Chop kiss.